Welcome to Rideshare Careers. I'm going to talk to y'all how I talk to my passengers. A lot of y'all want to do this, but y'all don't understand. Most of the stuff that y'all afraid of is all in your damn head.
Rideshare Careers. Time to get some money, we just ride around city. Yeah.
Basically, boom, right? When the passenger get in the car, boom, they get in the car, they close the door. You click your little app, bang, bang. You drive, you on your way to their destination, you feel me? Now, you boom. You just hitting your little turn signals, doing your little thing. You minding your business. For the most part, this could go however you want it to go. You could either talk to the passenger or you could shut the hell up. If you talk to the passenger, basically, you put yourself under the if you say something wrong, they snitch on you. If you offend them, or if you come off as flirting, it's a wrap, like you messing up your bread. You don't have to say nothing to the passenger at all. Most of y'all think that when passengers get in the car, it's all over. Oh no, it's a human, like y'all don't know how to interact with people. Cut that shy shit out. If you shy, you don't gotta say nothing to the passengers. You can still get money. Straight up. Doing Uber, I come out here it could be a bad day, right? It could be like the weather is crazy outside. You turn on your little app, you like boom, boom, boom. Next thing you know, you seeing rides like 5 minutes away, $15. If you telling me you can't drive around, boom, and pick people up, and like if you telling me you can't do that, then maybe you can't. Maybe you're right. You feel what I'm saying? Maybe I'm stupid. Maybe I'm just, one of them ones. You feel me? But anybody could do this. If you got a license or if you want a car, go get the rental. You could do this every day. It's all depending on how much you're out here, how long you out here. But the stuff that y'all afraid of, y'all shouldn't be afraid of, man. Y'all shouldn't. Let me show you an Uber ride. Hold on. Let me do the whole ring thing. Boom. Do-do-doom. They get in the car. How you doing today? This is how 90% of my rides go in 2025. Watch me. They get in the car. How you doing today, man? I don't even look at them. I hardly even see 50% of my passengers. That's the secret. Don't even know, because I literally, like, I'm strapped. If I was strapped, I wouldn't even care about who's getting, like, really, I don't care. It's literally people get in, they going to the destination, they getting out. All that extra, they going to kill you, they going to this, you going to do that. Literally, you don't have to talk to nobody. They get in the car, and here we go. Boom, they in the car. How you doing today, man? Oh, that's what's up. Boom. All right, if they white, I turn to Q102. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? They white. That's my shit too. I love it. Anyway, if they black, I turn to this, especially if I pick them up in North Philly. Don't give me copyright, goddammit. But anyway, boom, that's it. Turn Power 99. You don't even gotta look at them. The whole ride, I'm like this. I don't even like to look out that right rear mirror, you feel me? Because when you look out the right mirror, it look like you're looking at them. I don't even want you to know I give a damn. I'm chilling. I'm like, music on, bang. I got my little playlist playing, boom. I don't say nothing to you. You don't say nothing to me. Unless you say something to me. You say something to me, I'm going to say something back. You don't say nothing to me, I don't say nothing to you. I keep it moving. Bang. You see? Same thing. You see the bus driver? Is he scared of every passenger that get in that bus? And half of the people on the bus is strapped. Half of them. Think about that. And we got bus drivers. Don't be all scary about shit. You know what I'm saying? You come out here, you do your due diligence, you get your bread, and you go home. You ain't got, this whole time, I'm not saying nothing to the passenger or nothing. I'm chilling. I look Joe as hell. This be me. You good back there, Miss Lady? Solid. The end. Then they destination be right here, right there. They drop off, they get the hell out, I'm on to the next person. I'm not worried about, oh no, my subconscious and all of that stuff is cured. I don't go through that no more. That's the beginner's shit. That's that, I just started, I don't know, scary ass. That's why you ain't gonna get no money. Come out here, you literally do that every ride. You don't gotta say nothing to these people. If you want a joyful time, talk to these niggas. Some of them happy as hell, some of them not. You feel me? But at the end of the day, I don't be getting into drama. I don't be getting into shootouts and stuff. I don't be getting into a lot of stuff that we would think. You feel me? And if I do, I know how to handle myself because I'm a grown-ass man. So even if you a chick, you can still do this. Depending on how tough you is and how many guns you got, how many, But anyway, I'm outie like a belly button. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Peace.
No.
What's going on with you, man?
You look like my ex-girlfriend.
No doubt, no doubt.
No offense.
I hear that, good brother. Oh, you drunk?
Disrespectful. Yep.
Damn, you drunk, huh? Yeah. I got it. I mean, why don't you
I'm all right.
I'm chips on? I mean, just in case you hungry. You
I'm
might
all
need
right.
something
They
on your
look good.
stomach.
I'm all right.
Oh, all right. Oh, all right. I mean, I got something
Get
to
me
drink
home.
if you want, you know, just to hold
Just
something.
get me home.
Okay, okay.
Come on, big dog.
I mean, yeah, no doubt.
Come on, big
No doubt. I'm going to just move in this little circle.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. You good back there? You good? You got no, not on purpose. Let me just...
Young man, what the hell?
No, I heard driving in the circle, it helps, like,
Lord.
solidify you. Yeah, the stability.
Why would you do that?
Uh-huh. Oh! Oh, look at that. That's 250 feet right there, baby.